There was a time when physics in games felt magical. The gravity gun in Half-Life 2 turned, Gary's mod ragdolls made chaos fun. Back then physics wasn't extra, it was the heart of play. Every object felt alive, every experiment felt possible. Players weren't just shooting enemies, they were playing with the world itself. But later things changed. Graphics became stunning, almost movie-like. Yet the worlds inside those games felt strangely empty. Explosions left walls untouched. Chairs stayed glued to the floor. Ragdolls disappeared before you could even laugh. Studios started to see physics as a problem, too costly, too unstable, too risky for online play. Slowly the magic faded. Games looked better, but they didn't feel better. Then came June 30th, 2026, a day that flipped the story. Aaron Cato, the creator of Box 2D, the engine behind Angry Birds, Limbo, and countless indie hits, teamed up with Valve's Dirk Gregorius, a veteran of game physics. Together they built Box 3D, a brand new open source 3D physics engine. No fees, no licenses, no walls, just raw power, free for everyone. Aaron's own survival game, The Legend of California, showed how broken things had become. Redwood trees collapsing turned into glitch storms. Weapons dropped on the ground, ignored torque, and spun like broken toys. Servers overloaded when too many objects filled the world. Unreal's chaos system wasn't just buggy, it was breaking the game's soul. That's when Aaron knew something had to change. Dirk stepped in with Rubicon Lite, a slimmed-down version of the physics tech used in Half-Life Alyx. Aaron combined it with his Box 2D knowledge, rebuilt the system from the ground up, and Box 3D was born. Suddenly, trees toppled with believable weight, rifles spun with proper angular momentum, huge welded builds merged into single shapes without choking the CPU. Physics felt alive again. Box 3D isn't just a patch, it's a reinvention. Stable maps, double precision math keeps huge worlds from breaking apart. Better CPU use, collisions spread across multiple cores so performance stays smooth. Sub-step solvers catch fast objects mid-flight before they glitch. Crash protection, secure IDs stop scripts from crashing when they call deleted objects. And because it's open source, anyone can use it. Indie developers, modders, hobbyists, all welcome. Facepunch Studios already swapped Source 2 physics for Box 3D in Sandbox. More studios are lining up. Physics is no longer locked inside AAA walls. It's free, alive, and evolving in public. Even VR creators are jumping in. With Box 3D, objects in virtual reality finally feel solid and believable. Imagine picking up a chair in VR and feeling its weight behave correctly, or watching a tower collapse in a way that looks natural. It's not just about games anymore, it's about making digital worlds feel real.